30 of September dito.
Butang lang, Bi.
WD. Oh, di PWH. Itong na ako si Ivan.
Ngayon pa.
Oh, ako sa DI tuloy. Tagal ako siya nasa bamboo sanctuary.
Balik na lang.
Pang last month to, no? Dito sa unahan ko. Katong akwa na to, pagsaka na to, di ba?
Ay, ecological park po dahil siya.
Ang bamboo sanctuary. Ako ko na. Bago na, diri. Oo, bago kung kanto.
Hindi nga siguro may Friday.
Tungod kay layo siya, mo na mingaw.
O, hindi nga naman dito.
Wonder lang. Ito ba, pwede ako picture ng kuhan kay Ag.
Okay.
Non-government organization supported by the government.
Meron din mga tao dito na nag-a-adapt. So if you have a company or what, taxable po yun.
Taxable?
Yes po. Iba yung yes tax. So mababawasan po yung
Mababawasan yung tax namin. Income tax? Paano nyo i-declare?
we have here po ng mga legal na i-adapt nyo. Yearly and annually.
Bayad kag tax man.
Yun, diba? So, kung mag-adapt ako, let's say, paano ko yun i-reimburse?
Meron po kaming mga staff dito po, pero kayo na po yung
Coordinate with them. Okay.
Pero may ang required na space area
ang alin yung mga
yung makadap. Like,
For
meron,
money lang talaga. May common gusto o
what
CDO.
do you need po like?
kung mag-adapt ka ng Eagle, dapat meron kang space na ganito kalaki or something.
Or requirements to adapt.
Requirements.
Wala naman po kasi meron din naman silang mga kanya-kanyang cage. So yung gagawin nyo
Naka-cage lang sila.
yes po, yung gagawin nyo lang talaga it's like the same lang talaga agad.
May minimum maximum yan?
Yung mga Philippine eagle na birds of prey, yes, yun po yung katulad ng mga serpent, south living hawk eagle or white-bellied eagle is 25,000 yearly and annually. But the Philippine eagle po yung malaki natin, yung the national bird natin, is 250,000 to 300,000 po.
Hindi pala siya 1,000 pesos, ano?
1,000 pesos tapos yung tax namin 20,000 ang mabawas. So tabla lang pala. Lugi pa.
So here po first is we have a saltwater crocodile.
Ito.
So this saltwater crocodile po is the half size of Lolong. So Lolong is the largest
laki mo.
crocodile before with 20.4 feet and this one po is 13 feet.
So big lang. What? It's so big. Ito kayo siya.
So this one po is gold deeper or
Saltwater.
yung tabo. Gold deeper. And this
Kung gula ilan ka ako sa Crocodile Park, no?
Naman to si Pan.
Naa, pero nakakatang na to.
Pero patay na.
yes po.
Pero si salt water to siya, di ba? Pero
Yes,
hindi
po.
to salty yung...
Well, saltwater crocodile is just as sticky, so they can live in mga top water, even a lake water po. Yung species na kasi nila is saltwater crocodile is bigger than fresh. And meron din tayong alligator. Yung alligator po, I think yung yung alligator, they can't live alone sa mga lake or sa mga water kasi landlocked sila. So more than 38 years na din. So, kung mapapansin nyo dun sa mga reptile or crocodile po, they not moving too much. Because they're saving their energy po, like 1 month or 1 week without
Hunting.
eating. That's why po, once a month or once a week lang sila pinapakain dito. And yung diet din nila po is rabbit meat, goat meat, di ba?
Ay, sarili ng pag-adapt day. Abi, 1,000 pesos.
Tulong.
Oo.
And the next is enclosure po, we have a yellow-headed water monitor lizard, but probably they're hiding under the soil. Kasi ito po is bayawak in a local name or halu. They can dig around 2 meters that they can hide under the soil. And also, fact din sa kanila
Wala.
is
Tago.
bayawak is also the favorite dish ng mga eagle and wild. Yes, because they're reptile.
Tago.
Bayawak.
Yes, also ng mga tao. So here our so this one po is a Burmese python. It's Zuma and the local name po is Asawa. So Z-U-M-A si Zuma, yung name niya po. Zuma po was pet before, but her previous owner was decided to donate her na lang because Zuma is big and bigger. It's look like a statue but it's alive. Ayan.
Sila pwede gamitan, no?
Oh, here po ay mapapansin nyo po na nakatali sila. Kasi pag hindi nila alam yung sino yung pumupunta dito, may possible po na mga atake sila. So they're very highly territorial. They want to live peacefully and alone, yung parang walang tao. But dito pa sila is sanay na po sila sa environment nila dito. And sometimes po, they're making a loud noises because their love expecting food or they love like get attention to those people around them. So that's why po nag-iingay sila minsan. Or papansin kumbaga. So that one po is the white-bellied sea eagle, the national bird of Brunei. So the national bird of Brunei. And sila po yung nakikita po in the coastal area, yung nag-hunt ng mga isda. So yung sometimes din po yung diet nila dito, galonggong or muro-muro.
Munggumuro?
Baka may time na hindi na nila alam kung paano lumipad pag maliit yung cage nila.
Explain mo na.
Pero maliit
Mura
lang
na
yung
si
cage niya, di ba?
Ano po?
Maliit lang yung cage niya.
The story of Vigo. Vigo
Dapat-
yung name niya.
Hindi sila makakapag-ipad ng ayos.
Well, it's okay din sa kanila din po. And actually, we can, our budget is not put enough.
No, si
So that's
Vigo.
why meron din silang ano din po.
That's Vigo.
And yung cage Vigo would become a habituated animal or parang sa siya sa mga tao. So,
Wala pa ko, gamay kayo. Gamay pa ba yan? Kapit ako, anak. Hanggang dito na ando. So, layo lang ko dito.
bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Eagle.
Kila ito mga adat, 250,000 a year.
For them is 25 a year.
1,000.
Until what? Annually. Annually until? It depends if kailan. Yung parang anniversary lang din.
No.
So here,
Kala
wala
ko may 1,000 lang.
here, wala silang pangalan. And wala silang adopter.
So naghahanap sila ng anak.
So the black winged
Kakabini.
guys also, they're famous because of their natural environment.
Classic, oh. Sibol. Wow! Wala pa. Yeah.
Because Philippine eagle po is, they're called as an ongoing of love kasi they're monogamous.
Hindi siya pwede kasi kapit. Kapit.
So this dome po is the pairing dome.
Oh,
So po
diba?
nagaganap sila. And
Kanang gamay na pero gatong
Kumang dako ni. Because it's a mating dome, so dito nagaganap yung mating. And also, before po, meron pong partition dito.
Wala, ang laki, oh.
Is it small? Dako, layo lang man.
Oh, dako, magula. Oh, layo, magula siya.
Mom, there's a giant swoop owl. Giant swoop
Right corner.
Hello, can you label?
Well, makakalipad po sila.
Oh?
But dito po, is pwede change din naman sila. Para hindi sila.
Oh, big man na
Ay, oh, big, oh. So big, ana, oh. Diba, it's so big?
Ah, sure.
So kung napapansin nyo din po sa mga eagle, they're like moving their head like Indian. Because they're sighting a, gusto ba yung binocular, zoom in, zoom out. Kasi yung eyesight nila is 8 times power.
Oh, nagmula na siya alin. Ano na bigyan? Ayaw ilabi apil ang papil ha. Makaon nila. Here na. Wala ni doon na siya din. Oh, very big fishes. Oh. Wow. Oh, so big.
Nakay buga siya di kay Raul.